Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you on how you can factory reset Miele Induction. There are actually 3 ways how we're going to do it, depends on your type. So first, when you're going to have this type here where you're going to have the lock for 2 buttons, first you want to turn it on and then you just want to hold this one and this one, like the first 2 for the increasing the heat and turning them on. So this is how you're going to do it. Just press and hold these 2. Now, for the resetting the older versions, what you want to do, like older, like different types, you just want to have it turned off, press and hold the power button, and then you want to press and hold with it the lock button. So you're going to press and hold both buttons together. Maybe it's going to turn on, so turn it off and do it again. So press and hold. Then you should have like the number 9595 changing there. And what you need to do then is just press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. So you're going to press and hold the power button and the lock button together until there's going to be like a beep. And then also it's going to be like numbers switching 9 to 5, 9 to 5. And then what you need to do is just press and hold the power button. If this is not going to work, either of these things, what you need to do and what helped me with my induction, it's a different brand, but maybe it's going to work also for Miele, is that you just want to turn it off through the circuit breaker and leave it for like 2-3 minutes and then try to turn it back on, and maybe this is going to help you. So try these things and I hope it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.